In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link multiple records on Airtable dynamically. We'll walk through this together step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to set up a linked record field that automatically filters and connects to the right records based on dynamic conditions, instead of you manually picking them each time. First, open your Airtable base and go to the example table you'll be working in. Make sure you're in the right table view so that the fields match what you see on screen. Once you're there, look for the column where you want to create or configure your linked record field. This is usually done from the Field Customization menu, so click on the highlighted field header to open its settings. In the field settings, change the field type to Link to another record. This tells Airtable that this column will connect to records from another table. When the list of tables appears, choose the table you want to link to. In this example, we're selecting Table 5. That becomes the source of all the records this field can link to. Next, you'll see additional options that control how records are selected. Look for the advanced or filtering options that are highlighted in the interface, then click to open them. Here's where we turn a simple linked record into a dynamic one. Click on Add Condition. This allows you to limit which records from the other table can be linked. Instead of using a static filter, we want this to update automatically based on the current record, so click on the highlighted option and choose Dynamic Condition. This means Airtable will evaluate the conditions separately for each row. Now choose the field you want to base the condition on, for example, name, and then select the operator. You might see something like contains by default, but you can switch it to does not contain or any other operator that fits your logic. The key idea is that this condition will compare values from the current record with fields from the linked table. Once the condition is set, click on the highlighted button to move into the calculation options, then choose Calculation. This is where Airtable confirms how it will compute the dynamic matching behind the scenes. When that's done, confirm by clicking Create Field. If you're prompted with any optional steps, you can click Skip to accept the defaults. Finally, use the highlighted controls at the top to return to your table view, then open the record and select Calculation if needed to review how those dynamic links are being applied. And that's it. You've now set up a dynamically filtered linked record field in Airtable, so your records will automatically connect to the right items without manual searching every time.